1, 2, 3, 4. Had apple pie, and I had duck for lunch, and had 2 meetings, and Jake is sick.
You had 2 meetings for lunch?
2 meetings for lunch. Hi, this is Kevin Kwok, founder of J29 Creative. Hey, we're excited for the new year. New year means new beginnings, new chapter, and we look forward to working with new customers and new relationships. So one of the things you guys probably found is New Year's also full of spam and ads and different things like that. So how do you differentiate the noise that's out there? So I'm sure you're getting bombarded with emails on, hey, marketing and tools and different gurus teaching you how to better do your social media and different things like that. I'm sure you've seen Facebook ads that tell you, hey, make 6-figure, generate thousands of leads, different things like that. Well, sorry to break the news. There's no magic pill out there. And at the end of the day is hard work and consistency and putting good content out there so you bring value to your customers and fans. And that's something that we want to do at J29. We decided, hey, instead of running ads this year to acquire new customers, new relationship, instead we're just going to give something back to the community. Because at the end of the day, digital marketing should be, the information should be free. It should be out there for you guys to leverage, and there shouldn't be blueprints where it costs thousands of dollars. It's not rocket science. What we do is we help our customers save time. We help them, equip them to do a better job at utilizing the web. But we decided we could put together a group in Facebook called Social Media Dojo Kansas City. So this is right now it's just Kansas City only because that's where we're headquartered. But it's a place where anyone's business owners, organizations can join and get valuable information on how to win at the social media game. So we're there to answer questions you may have. We're there to teach and educate. And at the same time, we're there to learn ourselves. So if you have a question or you have tricks you like to share, that's what this group is for. So it's an opportunity for us all to network and grow together in the digital world. Because we all know in today's marketing, if you aren't doing digital, you're a dinosaur. So anyway, have a good rest of the day, and until next week, later.